I'm going to show you how to make this permanent anklet with the Orion Micro Welder. So I'm going to make a anklet with this connector. It's much easier for me to attach one side first and then measure and cut the chain thereafter. So that's what I'm going to do. Here I've got a jump ring and I'm going to loop through, and then I'm going to put through here. It's really important to close the jump ring tightly so both sides meet. Just gonna refocus to make sure you can see that. Like here. Make sure that both sides are touching. So I've attached it. So now I'm going to put the alligator clip hooking onto it. Make sure. Let's see. And then I've got this on 5, and there's a play button. And then here again. There we go. See. Sure you can see that. So there's a little dot there. And that is welded. There is a bit of fire scale, which I will remove. Okay, you press it, lift your heel, see if, and put down. Put the leather piece here. And here is the finished anklet. I sell the components to make the anklets and much more. And I'm going to put a link down below with my information, as well as some information on the Orion Micro Welder that I've used in this video.